In today's video, we are going to learn how to change chords quickly. I'm going to demonstrate this exercise in C major scale. I can assure you that you will be very good in changing chords. What's up guys, hope you all are doing really well. My name is Lionel and I'm your keyboard and piano teacher at Music Pandit, the best place to learn music online. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change chords quickly. But before that, let me tell you, we upload these kind of videos on this channel every week. So make sure you press that subscribe button and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss out on any important content whatever we upload on this channel. With that, let's begin this lesson. So for you guys to change chords quickly, I have a small exercise. Okay? You have to practice this daily and in different tempos, from slower to faster, so that every day you can see yourself playing chords quicker. Now how to do that? Now you guys have to follow me carefully. Now this lesson is for beginners, okay? So I'm going to demonstrate this exercise in C major scale. And what you're going to do, in right hand you're going to play C major scale. And left hand you're just going to play the principal chords of C major scale. That is C, F, G and back to C. Here, you're not going to use inversions, you have to play the major positions of all the chords. So C chord, C, E, G, F chord, F, A, C, G chord, G, B, D, and back to C. Let me play this slowly without metronome. For C note, you're going to play C chord. When you're playing D note, you're going to play G chord. When you're playing E note, you're going to play C chord again. For F, you're going to play F chord. For G, you're going to play G chord. For A, you're going to play F chord. Then for B, again G. And when you're playing C, you're going to play back C again. So let me play this again. C, G, C, F, G, F, G, C. Now for you to practice this exercise, you have to start in a very slow tempo. So what you guys can do is start at 50 BPM. So let me set the tempo at 50, and whenever the metronome ticks, you need to play a chord. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back. Now once you have played this exercise at 50 BPM, you guys need to change the tempo every day. So you guys can go to 60, but for this example, I will be playing at 70, okay? Now listen to the tempo carefully and then start. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Come back. Now once you are done with 70 BPM for a day, then you can go for the next tempo, that is 80, and start again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So practice that couple of times, and then final, you can go for 100 BPM. If you guys are comfortable, you guys can go for more, but I will stop at 100 BPM. So 1, 2, 3, 4. If you do this exercise daily for, take for example, 5 minutes or 15 minutes daily, I can assure you that you will be very good in changing chords. If you guys like this video and if you guys want to learn more of these tips and tricks, make sure you subscribe to Music Pandit. On Music Pandit, it is not only video lessons. You have lot of other things which makes your learning experience really nice. Take for example, you finished your lesson. After your lesson, you have practice routine where you guys can practice with me. And then you have feedback, then you have quizzes, and you have certification and lot more. So please subscribe to Music Pandit. You have my course for piano level 1 and level 2 as well as keyboard level 1 and level 2. So make sure you subscribe to Music Pandit, and if you like these kind of videos, make sure you press that like button, hit that subscribe button and press that bell icon so that you don't miss out on important content whatever we upload on this channel. With that, this is Lionel, your piano and keyboard teacher, signing off.